Hi guys, welcome back to my videos. No, welcome back to my channel. Not welcome back to my video. This is the first time you've seen this video. Oh my gosh. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, thank you so much for joining me. I make videos on saving money, spending money to save money, because obviously I spend a lot. There's a lot of hauls, but they're always essentials or things that I'm going to use to make it look more expensive. Some DIYs. We have just moved into a new house, a 3-bedroom house. It's an ex-council property, and we're having it refurbed at the moment before we move. Hence why behind me you can see there's a lot of stuff in our kitchen, and it is literally just getting overrun with stuff. What you can't see on that side of the room is a table just full of stuff ready to go. I mean, it's quite ridiculous, but you know, I can't help getting excited for this new place, and I keep seeing things that I really want to do, and we've only got about 6 to 8 weeks left. So, you know, I'm just desperate to get in and desperate to start and desperate to get it all sorted. But I've just been, you know me, I love a good bargain. I love going bargain hunting, and I've got some really good ideas. And I've also seen some really good ideas that I want to try out. So, right, I went to a charity shop, and if you're from America, it is, or anywhere else, I think, it's a thrift store. And that actually, to me, sounds, well, no, because thrift might not be charity. So our charity shops basically are where people take their unused stuff, drop it off, and they get inspected, make sure they're okay, and then they get dropped in price, basically. But obviously all the proceeds go to the charity, as well as the shop rent and maybe paying some of the managerial staff. Most people volunteer though, but everything's donated. What I love about that is that you're essentially recycling. What a joy. So I picked up a few bits from, what was this one called? So there's a new charity shop in Alfreton, and it's an air ambulance one, but it's absolutely massive. It's the old Aldi. They've got a new Aldi there, and it's the old Aldi. They've turned it into a huge charity shop, and they've got a cafe in there, and it's just a real joy to go in. And it isn't even that expensive. Like, it's a good price charity shop. And they've got loads of furniture. If you're looking for something maybe mid-century retro type stuff, mid-century modern, you will find it in there, I promise you. So I'm really excited about doing a lot of DIYs before we get into our house. And I'm always thinking that there's loads of stuff that you can buy for a lot of money from all these shops like Anthropology, or even TK Maxx is sometimes a little bit pricey, I think. In Habitat, if that's still going, all these beautiful places. And I just think that you can make most of this yourself, or better, or even just stuff that will go into your home that is to your style. So we have identified each room's themes. So we've gotten that far. Our bedroom is going to be coral, emerald green and gold and white. So we want to accessorise to that effect. Our spare bedroom is going to be navy blue and orange. There's a reason for that. Our bathroom is just going to be neutral because we actually haven't made a decision yet. Our office is going to be all whites and rose golds because we've already got that in our spare room. So there's no point in buying more. So we're just going to use that sort of rose gold coppery type thing. Just keep it the same. There's no point. It's just a small room. Keep it light and airy. Our living room is going to be a sort of neutral industrial feel, like rustic industrial. And our dining room is going to be a bit shabby chic. None of it matches, just so you know. And our kitchen is going to be navy blue and copper, or navy blue and grey, actually it is. But there's going to be copper accents like in the handles and stuff. It is mental. It's all happening. It's all going. It's all stressful. But, you know, this is how it goes. So I bought some bits because I've seen some beautiful things, but I just don't want to pay the price for them. And I feel that, you know, of course you can get things from the budget shops and maybe stuff to sort of complement the stuff that you buy. But the charity shop stuff, you know it's good quality. Or you know it's going to have cost a little bit more at least. So I'm going to start with this. I spotted this. Oh, I'll just get it out. It was £1.45. And I'm really excited about it because I think it's going to be amazing for autumn because it looks a bit like a pumpkin. So it's metal and it's like a twisted antique gold at the moment. I say at the moment because I might change it. But I thought this would be really, really cool for autumn time to put something in there. I think it might be a candle holder. I actually have no idea what it is, but it was £1.45. And because it looked a bit like a pumpkin, I just thought it'd be quite cool. I think what would be really nice is if I put like a big orange cushion in there so it sort of pushes out the side and maybe put a little thing on top. I don't know. I'll have to play with some ideas for that one. But I really liked it. And for £1.45, I thought that was really good. It's all metal. Be quite nice outside, I think. The second thing I picked up, was this little geometric pot. And I have got a DIY idea for this. I am going to keep it pretty similar to what it is, but I'm thinking for our bedroom, I might do half of it sort of a gold dipped, or even maybe some gold stripes. I don't know yet. But I really, really like this. I'll just keep it how it is. I think it's quite cute. This is 95p. And I just, little ceramic pot. It's going to be great for a little succulent in our bedroom. I think that'll look so cute. Isn't it gorgeous? The next thing I picked up was another planter, and it looks like this. And I'm going to spray paint this a different colour. I'm probably going to do it a navy blue and copper. I have seen some where sort of like coppery bits around here and then a really nice glossy blue, like a deep blue. So I'm going to give that a go. I'm going to have a try at doing that because I think this is a really good shape. I like that it's got these little wavy bits on. It's a pretty colour as it is now, actually. It'd be quite nice to keep it as it is. But this was also 95p. What a bargain. And I just think this would be really nice to have some plants in. So looking forward to using that. I don't know where it's from originally, but I do like the pot. Really cute. Every night when we get home, in our bathroom, Claire and I have matching ring holders. I struggle with my hands. I have really itchy hands. You can see here, I get eczema just here on my wrist. And I have really itchy hands. And we always put our stuff on jewellery, like things and trinkets and stuff. And I thought just to have next to our sink in the bathroom, we could use this. But again, I'm going to DIY this into something a little bit more special than just the glass that it is. But, you know, these things aren't cheap normally. This was only 95p and you can put your rings and your bracelets. I'll just take my rings off and I'll show you. So you just pop them on the little holder there. And I just find them so useful, more useful than I ever thought I would, because I do take my rings off all the time. And you're supposed to take your Pandora rings off before you wash your hands. And I just know I'll lose them. So it's really good having a little ring dish just for taking them off. Either for the toilet or wherever. I might even go next to our bedside table, depending on the colours that I decide to do. But I think this is such a joy. I love the shape of this. And I think, I'm thinking I might do something to it. I'll think about it. I saw this and I was just so excited. Such a good shape. So I saw this National Gallery tray with handles. So it's come from the National Gallery. And I just think this is great for in the living room. I want to rustic this up a little bit. I've got some spray paints and I'm going to give it a little bit of a twist. But it's really sturdy and it's such a good size. Be really good for having like on the coffee table as somewhere that we put any smellies or not candles because I'm not a massive fan, but even just like a plant and the remotes basically, just anywhere to keep things nice. I just think this is a great solid tray. I just love it. Well done, National Gallery. I bet this didn't cost, you know, I bet it wasn't as cheap as £1.95, that's for sure. So also it was a gift aid product, so that makes me happy. Oops. Oh God, don't break it, Leah. You've only just got it. And then the final thing, which is, I'm so excited about this for our kitchen. So excited. I saw this on the very top shelf. It's dusty as anything. It needs a really good clean. It didn't even have a price. And I thought to myself, if it's under a couple of quid, I'm going to buy it. Let me just, oh, I'm moving you away by mistake. Let me just see if I can get this in. So it's this. It is a cake presentation. It's not really a stand, is it? It's like a cake thing with a lid. I don't know, but it's glass. It's so heavy. So you get the glass base and then you get the dome for the top. It looks like one that you would get in a little patisserie or something. It's so adorable. I desperately want to do something with this so that it goes in our kitchen. I'm thinking, or even, because we're going to have a dining room, I'm thinking it'd be really nice to put like artificial flower arrangements in there or fruit arrangements or something, so you have it in the middle of the table. I just love it. I think this is the most beautiful thing, and it cost a grand total of £1.95. Oh my God. If you've got any ideas what to do with this, let me know. I just think this is amazing. I'm so scared of dropping it though, but it's just incredible. I love that. That was my favourite buy of the charity shop. Oh no, there's a couple of things I forgot. I just realised they're just sat here next to me. I saw Rosie Henshaw's video, and by the time you see this one, her video will be up. And she was talking about making fabric pumpkins. So excited. I found these old cushions. They're not great. This one's got a little stain on it, in fact, but I don't care because I'm not going to use them as cushions. So these, I think, were from the range originally. I can see the R in there on a label. But they're quite autumnal colours. The material's like Hessian, so it's like a good thick material. And obviously it's got the stuffing already. For the two cushions, it was £1.95. So that's like obviously less than £1 each. And I just thought that was really good because she's going to do the tutorial, and I thought these would look so cute wherever we decide to put them in our house as little pumpkins. So I will try and copy her tutorial, and I may do a little following the tutorial video, because if you're like me and you watch a tutorial to do something, it never turns out the same. So I want to do that and see if I do well, and I'll let you know and I'll give you a bit of a review. But absolutely love these. I thought they were just such good value. Let me just see where they are from. I'm sure they're from the range, you know. There's a little zip. It's quite a good quality thing, this. Oh, it doesn't say. Oh, I don't know where it's from. I'm sure it's at the range. Hold on, yeah, it's got a range, little R on it. So I don't know how much they would have cost, but they're not going to be more than, you know, £4 each. Maybe not going to be more than £10 each or anything like that, are they? Maybe £4, £8. I don't know, but I thought they were really good. So they aren't. That wasn't the last thing what I showed you. These were, and these are the last things that I did buy, because I just thought, no, I want the material and I want the stuffing, because I feel like you're basically halfway there, and that will be so cheap, and I'm really looking forward to doing that. So very excited. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for joining me. I'm really sorry that these videos are me in the same outfit, me in the same place, but when I go shopping, I usually just go to more than one shop, and then I want to film straight away so I can just put everything away. You'll know what I mean. It's so stressful having to have everything around, especially when you're moving. And I don't want Claire to go mad. I want her to just be like home and happy that, you know, everything's been put away, and maybe not even mention it, if you know what I mean. So thank you so much for watching. If you would like to subscribe, and give it a thumbs up if you've enjoyed it. Comment below if there's anything you think I should be doing with those thrifted objects, and any DIYs you might want to see. So I'll speak to you soon. Take care and see you in my next video. Bye guys.